Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you here. Welcome to Crypto Wallet Kickstart Hackathon powered by Bitgesell. I'm Evgeny, CEO and founder of Phystech.Genesis. Firstly, I want to say some words about us and this event. We, Phystech.Genesis, organize hackathon all over the world. We made more than 50 hackathons with 8,000 participants. Let's talk about today's event. On Crypto Wallet Kickstart Hackathon, you have to develop desktop or mobile wallet. Full price of the hackathon is 30,000 USDT. I know we have a lot of Russian participants. In Russian currency, it's more than 2,200,000 rubles. On this hackathon, we have 275 registrations and 34 submitted teams. It'll be a great battle, I think. If you have any questions about organization, you can ask me or Marina. You can see our contacts here. During all hackathon, we'll help you. Some important moments about questions and answers. All organization questions you can ask on Telegram chat. If you have any questions about development, please ask them on Bitcoin Talk forum. Use the VPN to have access from Russia. Okay, and some words about Shadow. All Shadow presents here on Moscow time on November 7 at 11 o'clock. We'll have first checkpoint. First checkpoint will be with organizers, and of course, on first checkpoint we will get food promo codes. I think all like food promo codes. On 3 o'clock, we'll have a second checkpoint with experts and also food promo codes. On November 8th at 11 o'clock, we'll have checkpoint 3 with experts and food promo codes. Before 4 o'clock on November 8th, you have to upload your solutions on platform. At the 6 o'clock, 15 best teams will pitch in English their solutions, and at 8 o'clock we'll have award ceremony. Through all checkpoints, you can use Russian language, but on pitch you have to use English language. Скажу здесь по-русски. Все чекпоинты вы можете проходить на русском языке, а питчи должны быть обязательно на английском. Здесь это момент интернационального хакатона у нас. Okay, so good luck, and now I want to introduce NILS. He will tell you in detail about the task. NILS, are you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you, Evgeny. Thank you for the introduction. I will first say thank you for all participants to register for this event. I hope you will come up with some nice, workable, and good-looking solutions. To start off, I will start with the presentation we had prepared for you. So I will do it in English because my Russian is very bad. I'm sorry for that. So Bitgesell. Bitgesell is a digital currency. So most of you will know Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. Bitcoin is like a small brother for Bitcoin because most of its code has been derived from it. There were a few properties that are a little bit different, and I will I'll go on and tell you about these right now. So Bitgesell is a digital currency with a built-in increase of scarcity over time by, for one, burning 90% of transaction fees. So there is a large focus on scarcity or rarity. The code base is all derived from Bitcoin. The main characteristics are, of course, that it's fully decentralized. There is no central authority or company whatsoever behind it. It is completely community backed, as are the mining pools, the block explorer, with the block explorers, which means that most of the things that have been developed up to now are they all come from the community. So from people, enthusiasts, enthusiastic with the project. For the moment, it's trading on 4 exchanges and listed, of course, on CoinMarketCap, where you can find a good overview of all digital currencies. Good 7 months ago, it was officially launched. So 4 of April 2020 was the Genesis block mined. So how a little bit about the characteristics of Bitgesell. The thing we thought about when we were trying to develop or think about Bitgesell was how to create an asset that would constantly increase in value, the price that is. So this could be achieved by implementing some transformations to the intrinsic asset model. Just like gold or Bitcoin are investments that increase due to the constant supply rate, Bitgesell would have the same characteristic. But we were thinking, let's take it a step forward, and what if we can make a decentralized mechanism that would make the asset supply decrease over time, so making it even more scarce than gold or Bitcoin. So when you make like this overview of assets we know, is when you see the Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. Bitgesell, which is shown here under new asset, will have the same fixed supply. So it's also in the hard coded in the base code that there will only be 21 million coins mineable. But as I already said, the amount will decrease over time because of the burning of the transaction fees. So the supply schedule is the same as Bitcoin, only that the halving is not every 4 years, but it's every other year. So we expect the first halving to take place somewhere around beginning of April 2021, and so forth every year until all halvings are done. So same, the governance goes same is the same as Bitcoin. It's a decentralized consensus. So the governance is through DAO. It's all very different from what we are used to in gold or fiat currencies, where gold is limited by nature or by mining capabilities or possibilities, and controlled by central banks. I don't have to explain how the current money printers are taking care of the financial problems, and that's one of the things we wanted to address when creating Bitgesell. This beautiful graph shows very clear how the supply rate of Bitcoin will plateau when we go further in time. But Bitgesell, because of the burn rate of 90% of the transaction fees, will eventually start going down, which will ensure that another level of scarcity will take place. So as I already told you, the halving interval is every 201,000 blocks divided by 4, so every 52,500 blocks, there will be a halving of the mining rewards. So why do wallets matter? Because that is why we are here, right? We wanted to, we saw that for a successful coin to take place, or a successful asset to emerge from the digital coin market, they go hand in hand with a good usable wallet. So when we look at the blockchain.info, or well, it's now blockchain.com, was launched in August 2011. By the time it was 2012, they already had 70,000 users using the wallet to do transactions and to store their funds. 2013, there were already 1 million users, and at this moment, 2020, there is more than 55 million users. So if you have a successful project, you need a good wallet. If you have a good wallet, you will get a successful wallet. If you have a successful project, you will need a good wallet. So that's why we're here. And that is the problem that is at this moment. There is no, there is only one possibility to own or to have a wallet and to do Bitgesell transactions. And for that, users should run a full node. So it's server oriented and it has no modern features like a mnemonic seed. There is no mobile support at all currently. So in these times of mobile digital life, this is unacceptable, and we cannot go forward without a good usable wallet. Um, Luckily, there are a lot of wallet solutions for both desktop and mobile that support Bitcoin, and many of them are open source. So getting wallet software to support Bitgesell would provide more accessibility and ability for more users to play with it, or of course use it for transactions. So to have the expected result we would like is that there, of course, is a good workable wallet software or a prototype um, that you can achieve by porting existing wallet software for Bitcoin, for open source software. So if a wallet code is forked from an existing project, it would probably also be possible to sync the code later with a parent project with reasonable effort, keeping the required differences in implementations in place. So who is the final user of the solution? It's very simple. The people that want to play around with a new digital currency, of course, miners, but cryptocurrency enthusiasts and people who believe in our project, in Bitgesell being a possible very good store of value. And for that, they don't need to run a full node, so they can just have a desktop or a mobile wallet. We will be providing, or at least my colleagues who will take care of the technical part will provide the mainnet, working mainnet with nodes. You should have already gotten them, I believe, from Yevgeny. There will be test wallets with a small amount of coins on them to test in production. We will have support by experts, and of course, the prizes. The main technical differences are that the hashing algorithm has changed from double SHA-256 to KCAC for transactions and blocks. The node JSON RPC is fully compatible with Bitcoin when wallet fetches the raw transaction and signs it, the difference in hashing algorithms should be implemented. There is no non-SegWit transaction formats supported anymore. Only SegWit formats should be used. The exports will be MAU Matthias van Orten and Alexei Karpov, and they will all be either in the Telegram chat or on the Bitcoin Talk forum, for which the link will also be provided by Evgeny. How will we judge you? So we have provided a checklist for you, and when judging you, we will see to all these implementations points to check. So as you can see, we've given them all some points. I will go through them very fast. So 50 points for the wallet can send transactions. Of course, this is a base feature, so a wallet that will not be does not have the possibility to send transactions will unfortunately not be a good solution. 10 points if it is cross-platform, so Linux, Mac OS or Windows for desktop, or Android or iOS for mobile. 25 points if private keys are stored on user side only. 10 points when transaction status is being shown and confirmations also. 5 points if the transactions history can be shown. 10 points for a requirement of a custom backend or a regular node. 10 points if it supports a new wallet creation. 20 points for supporting mnemonic seed in the wallet creation. 10 points for storing wallet data in encrypted format. 5 points for generating a receiving address. 5 points for aggregating smaller UTXOs when making a payment. And then finally, 20 points for the user interface, which we will vote as a jury from 1 to 20. So there is 20 points to be earned and 1 point if you have so 1 point minimum, 20 points maximum. The prizes, of course, is the cash prizes that you have already seen. You'll have further support as an official software project if you decide to work to keep working on the project. We would very much like that, of course. We would very much like to include you into our community as a developer, or as an enthusiast, or even better, as an investor. The merchandise, pizzas, and stuff are all on us, of course. And it would be very good if the wallet can be used in the entire community. So that's all I had to say. I would say thank you very much for taking part. Have a great weekend. Have fun along the way. And I think we'll talk again later this weekend. So thanks for listening, and good luck, guys.
Thanks, Niels. You can ask questions on Bitcoin Talk forum. Thank you for your attention. You will get all links very soon.
Okay.
Thanks all, and see you soon. Bye.